guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for tonight's video, we are doing the Physicians Formula, the Perfect Matcha 3-in-1 Cleansing Balm First Impressions. So I was just looking at it. It comes with like the standard little thing that you pull off with the little spatula that comes with it so that you don't have to get your fingers dirty. And it looks like this. It is a green balm that surprisingly doesn't smell like green tea. You would think that like a matcha infused thing or a matcha thing would smell like green tea, but it actually doesn't. Kind of smells like citrus. So I am doing a first impressions of the Physicians Formula, the Perfect Matcha 3-in-1 Cleansing Balm. So this is a ultra gentle 3-in-1 cleansing balm that melts away makeup, deeply cleans away impurities, and leaves the skin fully supple and hydrated. So this is a dupe, I believe, for the other balm that I've tried on my channel. So it is the Green Clean by Pharmacy. They have a balm and it retails for $29 USD at Sephora. This one is at my local drugstore, so I got this at Shoppers. It was only about $17 or $20. I'll post the retail price on the screen here for you guys so you guys can see what the actual price is. But when I Google it, it is coming up as about $16. So I'm assuming this is a lot cheaper than the Sephora one because the Sephora one is about $30 USD. So I only paid, I believe, about $17 or $18 for this one. So I'm hoping if it works the same, then it'll be a good dupe for it. So it is a hydrating balm and it's supposed to be really good. So let's just pull it up on the website. So it says an ultra gentle 3-in-1 cleansing balm that melts away makeup. It is a antioxidant packed and enriched with matcha green tea, bamboo shoot, and lotus extract. So the benefits are it is hypoallergenic, it's paraben free, it's gluten free, it's dermatologist tested, non-comedogenic, clinically tested, safe for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearer, ophthalmologist tested, vegan, and cruelty free. So it has some really awesome perks to it and I'm excited to try it. I just saw this at my local drugstore last night and I wanted to try it out just because it looked familiar. And I have tried the pharmacy one before because I got it in a BoxyCharm. I didn't actually purchase it myself and I don't remember really having an opinion of it. It was just kind of like, okay, I used it and then it was gone and then I didn't really think about it again until I saw this last night. So I'm excited to try this. I'm just gonna quickly throw my hair up into a ponytail and then we can get started. So if you are interested in this look that I'm wearing right now, it is already up on my channel so you can go take a look at it. It is the first impressions of the Nomad Cosmetics, the Fire and Ice palette, and I did a Northern Lights inspired look tonight. So that's already up if you haven't already seen it. And now we can get into this Get Unready With Me style video. So I'm gonna pull off my eyelashes. Oh my god, taking off eyelashes is literally my favorite feeling in the entire world. I don't know why. So I'm just gonna quickly wet my face with some warm water and then we can go ahead and dive into this balm. My face is wet, so it says using the spatula, take the product out. So here's the product, here's the spatula, it goes in. I'm taking a decent amount out and I'm gonna rub it on my hands and then rub it on my face. So I would say I need more product. I'm gonna take about that much more. So I'm not gonna lie, it kind of feels like I'm rubbing Vaseline all over my face. All right, so I definitely got some of the stuff in my eyes because I was wiping off my eye makeup and now my vision is completely blurry and that is kind of annoying. But once my vision is not blurry anymore, I will continue. Alright, so this is what my skin looks like now that all of my makeup is off, and I would say that this balm actually worked really well. It worked really fast. I just needed to use a little bit more than it recommended just because I needed to get all of the makeup off. I was wearing a full face tonight. So I took off all of my makeup pretty good and I would say my skin feels nice. It feels clean. It is not irritating my skin at all. My skin is just red because I was just wiping it. It's not burning. There's no sensitivity. There's no feeling. There's nothing. It feels great. It looks fine. It looks clean. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to bed. I'm going to see how my skin reacts to this. So it was fine on my hands. I didn't have any reactions or anything on my hands, but my face is obviously different than my hands. So I'm going to let my skin do its thing overnight, and I'll come back on here in the morning and I will let you guys know if I have any reactions or if I have any opinions other than what I'm feeling right now. And what I'm feeling right now is it worked really well. It took off my makeup really fast and really efficiently, and my skin feels fine. So I will come back on here in the morning and let you guys know what my final thoughts are. Okay, so I am back the next day, and as you can see, I didn't have any new breakouts. I don't have any redness. I don't have any irritation. So the Physicians Formula, the Perfect Matcha 3-in-1 Cleansing Balm worked really well for me. It took off all my makeup fairly easy, as you guys saw, and I didn't wake up with any sensitivity or any reaction at all. So there's nothing in this cleansing balm that really reacted with my skin. This is just a first impressions on how this worked on my skin. So disclaimer, what works for me may not work for you and vice versa, but I would say that this worked pretty well. I'm really excited that it took off all of my makeup and didn't leave me with a reaction, because as you guys know, I have pretty sensitive skin and drugstore products do tend to break me out, so I was very interested to see what this would do. So just looking at the ingredient list, the only thing that really stands out for me that could have bothered my skin would have been the fragrance, so the perfume that's in here. It does have a very light fragrance. It does kind of just smell citrusy, but when you go to like the website, it does have a fragrance listed as the ingredients, so it's not completely fragrance free. It does have a little bit of a fragrance, but it's not overpowering or anything. So if you don't like fragrances, this may actually work out really well for you. But other than that, I'll post the full list of ingredients down below, and please do your own research before trying things so you know that you're not allergic to anything, or you know you're not going to react by anything just from looking at the ingredients before you use it. But that's just my disclaimer. It didn't react with my skin. It didn't react on my hands when I tested it out on my hands, and I think it worked really well for me. So this is just my finished skin test. So obviously this is just a first impressions. I can't give you guys a full review because I've only tried it once, but I will definitely continue to try it out, and maybe I will do another review in the future giving a more in-depth review on this product. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video. Editing me here just to pop in for a quick second. So I just wanted to come on here and mention that if you guys are interested in me doing a full review on this product and doing a longer form video of me actually testing this product out for more than just a first impressions, please let me know in the comments down below. Please like this video if you guys did enjoy it. I'm having a hard time lately with likes on YouTube. For some reason, my likes aren't registering, so when people watch my videos, they'll like them, and then I'll see that they liked them, and then in an hour or so, my likes will disappear. I don't know why that's happening. I've tried talking to Google about it, but they don't seem interested in fixing the problem. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, even if the thumbs up doesn't work. Please leave me a comment down below if you guys did enjoy this video, and if you guys are interested in seeing me do a more in-depth review on this product, please let me know in the comments down below. Have a conversation with me. I love talking to you guys. I love commenting back to you guys, and it would help push out my video so that the algorithm can pick it up and we can get more people watching. That would be so amazing. And yes, this is my new hair, so if you guys were interested in seeing what my new hair color was, I did go with this really pretty green that fades into this blue at the end, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. My best friend did it at the salon that she works at, and I am loving it.